Budget tech lovers, tired of earbuds that are hard to use and die too fast? Check out the Iconics Exobolt EB201. Super easy to pull out of the case and perfect for daily listening. The fit is really comfortable even for long hours. Plus, you get smooth Bluetooth connectivity, easy touch controls for music and calls, fast charging, and a massive 52 hours of playback. And honestly, this is one of those practical earbuds that just works. If you're looking for a solid budget upgrade, this is definitely worth checking out. Grab your now before it gets out of stock.